Hey everyone! Welcome to Surviving and Thriving in Canada. If you're filing your taxes in Canada for the first time, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary documents. Here's what you'll need: your T4 slip if you have a job, any other income slips like T5 for investment income or T4A for freelance or side hustle earnings, your social insurance number, any tax deduction or credit receipts like tuition, medical expenses, or RRSP contributions. Tip: keep all your tax documents in one folder. Now that you have your documents, you need to decide how to file. You have three options. Use tax software like TurboTax, Wealthsimple Tax, or UFile. Most are user-friendly and some are free. File online through the CRA's website using NetFile. Go to a tax professional if your tax situation is complicated. Most first-time filers can use free tax software. If you're filing online, it helps to have a CRA My Account. This lets you access your tax slips, check refunds, and track benefits. If you don't have one, you can sign up at canada.ca/my-account. It might take a few days to set up, so don't wait until the last minute. Next, enter your income details from your T4 and other slips into your tax software. Then, add deductions and credits like tuition tax credits for students, RSP contributions to lower taxable income, and medical expenses if eligible. Your tax software will automatically calculate what you owe or what you'll get as a refund. Before you file, review everything carefully. Check your personal details, your income and deductions, and that all tax slips are included. Once you're sure everything is correct, submit your return using NetFile or your tax software. If you're mailing it, send it to the right CRA address. After you file, the CRA will process your return. If you're getting a refund, you'll usually receive it within 2 weeks if you have direct deposit. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay by April 30th to avoid penalties. Deadline: April 30th. Don't miss it. And that's it! Filing your taxes in Canada for the first time might seem overwhelming, but once you break it down, it's totally doable. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy tax filing.